But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Hi guys, how are you doing? So I'm just from Think Twice and I didn't get what I was looking for. The trousers. I was looking for black trousers, but I haven't found any. So I think sometimes Think Twice is overrated. Like, you go there, like today the prices were at $250 and I haven't seen anything even for myself. Those clothes look like they can go for 50 shillings. I wouldn't buy them for $250. But last week when I was there and I bought some bed sheets, I found some really good bed sheets for $200. But clothes. So I'm just from work and I had left my plants. You know, I've been what was I saying? I've lost my train of thought. I've been looking for some soil to add to repot my plants, because I've found that I've been overwatering my snake plant and my fan. So I've been looking for red soil. I don't know where I can get red soil, because I've tried to drain my plants because they've been having a lot of water, and the pots that I'm using are just kasukus, just that I used for paint when I was moving here. So I even left some in the bedroom to drain some water. I nikadunga mashimo kwa, let me put you guys here. Ilibidi hadi nidunge mashimo kwa hiyo snake plant kwa sababu ilikuwa imejaa maji. It had a lot of water, and you know snake plants really don't like water. Snake plants really don't love water, so I've been overwatering my plants and I don't want them to die, so I just separated them and I put them in different pots because I realized the snake plant is really growing. And the situation right now, I even left it in the bedroom and I left the window open so that it can drain off that water. I really love my snake plants. I really don't want my plants to die this time. Oh my god. Oh, I've told the soldier to help me look for red soil so that I can finish up with with repotting them. Let me show you guys how it looks like, the situation. Oh my god, my plant is really struggling, guys.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh
guys, I'm feeling hungry. You've seen the way they look like. It's so disappointing. I'm feeling hungry, and you know schools are closed for 1 week because of the elections. I left my daughter and I left her with food and tea. Yeah, so right now she's hungry. I need to wash the dishes and then I can go with her to buy dinner because Bay today he might not come early. Today he was stationed at a far place, so he might not come early, so I just have to go and buy dinner alone. I'll go with my daughter. So let me wash the dishes. I left the dishes, the breakfast dishes on the sink. There are too many. I don't know if I can go and buy dinner and then I come back and wash the dishes and just stay in the house. Also, I paid for the Wi-Fi. You know, it's 1 month now since I shifted from Zuku to fiber, and it's been really good fiber. So I asked Zuku to refund my money because I paid them and they didn't even come. I told Zuku to refund my money because this apartment that I'm in, the connection of Zuku is not well done. So I asked them to come and install it like again, and they refused. So I asked them to refund my money, and they told me to return the router to their offices. And you see, I don't have time to go there. So I connected to another Wi-Fi, which is Safaricom fiber, and so far so good. Yeah, it's fast, and yeah, so far so good. So let me see if I will go to buy dinner first and then wash the dishes, or I also have to wash some few clothes because during the weekend I only washed my daughter's clothes. I didn't wash my clothes and Bay's clothes, and yeah, some of his socks are dirty. Oh my god, life is lifing. So let me see what I will do first, and then I'll vlog for you. Look at these bed sheets, guys. They are so good. I got them from Think Twice. Yeah, I didn't go to the salon. Like, I always procrastinate when it comes to going to the salon. I'm always lazy about going to the salon. I don't know if I'll have to shave my hair or what. God, is just, does this happen to you? Like, how often do you go to the salon? Me, I'm always lazy about going to the salon. Oh my god, that's my most, like, I struggle with that so much. Also, I wanted to go and maybe have some cornrows so that I can buy some wigs and be putting them on, but still I haven't done that. Oh my god, I'm very slow this week. I don't know what's up. I feel like because students have been told to stay at home, I wish also the adults at our workplaces we will be told to stay at home. Life is lifing. I've just finished washing the dishes. So you know my fridge is empty. You know I used to put a lot of juice and yogurt and ice cream in the fridge. So Bay used to complain a lot that the fridge is always full of refreshments, like of soft drinks only. It doesn't even have food. Like he used to really complain. So this last month when everything oh my god, English inanilemea guys. This last week the fridge everything ended in the fridge. Last week kila kitu ilisha kwa fridge, so I decided to just switch it off, and then I remembered that I switched it off and I haven't even cleaned it, and I want to go and do a small shopping and just rearrange my fridge again. I just want to pack some stuff in the fridge again. So let's wipe the fridge and then we see what you can get in the supermarket. Although Bay is really complaining about my intake of soda and ice cream, so I don't know what I'll put in the fridge because sijaanza kuboil magitheri na mambosho na mandengu niweke kwa fridge. Juu sina hata jiko. I left my jiko where I used to stay, so I really have to buy another jiko so that I can start boiling the cereals. I left my jiko there, like it got lost when I was shifting. I forgot it, so I have to buy another jiko so I can start boiling cereals and stocking them up in the freezer. So right now I don't know what I'll put in the fridge because Bay does not want to see any sodas and any ice creams, but I have to put them there because I love ice cream. I really can't stay too long without having ice cream. And you know Sarah, my daughter, she loves yogurt. I also used to stock a lot of yogurt for her, like the 500 ml, no, the 250 ml yogurt. I used to have so many of them in the fridge so that when she's out of school she can have one or two, and right now there isn't any. Anyway, we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can pack in there. But let me tell you guys, filling up a fridge is so expensive. You can find that umenunua vitu za 10k and the fridge is not even full. Filling up a fridge is so expensive, guys. It's so expensive. Let me show you how it looks like now. Show you guys. This is what I'm saying. You see, all this is water. I haven't wiped this water since weekend when I switched off the fridge. You see, even this is the frost water, which was here in form of ice cubes. Let's see the lower part. It's worse. You see, I haven't even cleaned it and I want to restock it. It's dirty. It's really dirty. So let's do some cleaning here and then we go to the supermarket. This is for milk. Let's go to the market, guys, and buy supper. First time Sarah is appearing in my vlog. She says that I don't put her in my vlogs. Ebu talk.
Hello. Hi guys.
She's shy. So she's the one who's going to take me today. Yep. Because I can't go alone and she's in the house. I can't feel cold alone. We are back. Let me show you the things I took. Not so many things. It's just dinner. All that. It's just dinner. And 3 sodas and 2 liters of milk and some yogurt and some groceries. Yeah. And githeri and waru. We are having githeri and a lot of waru. I love waru. I'm a Kikuyu.
Don't forget about these ones. Guys, like an music one like. We're done with that one. Avocados.
See, avocados in neighbor. Guys, these avocados, I think they are those ones that ukifinya, if you press them, they are still hard, but inside it's ready to eat. I think so, because me, I don't eat avocado. So I got this one, 30 shillings each. So I got 3, that is 90. I got this at 120. I got this at 120. I got this at 75, 1 liter, and another one 75, 1 liter.
Delicious.
I got this 6 cakes. Me and my daughter love having cakes for dinner. For breakfast, we don't like bread, so these ones go for 60 shillings. That is 10 shillings each because they are 6. And these 2 yogurts for my daughter to have tomorrow during the day at 35 shillings each. Yeah, and this githeri, this is 3 cups going for 35 each, so this is 105. And all these warus, 1 kasuku at 100 shillings. I'm putting all of these warus in that githeri.
And some tomatoes.
And some tomatoes which go for 60 shillings. That is 3 for 20 shillings. So I took for 60 shillings. This is the size. It's a good size.
Wow.
At least when it comes to groceries, hazijapanda bei sana. It's not like hizi vitu zingine za kubai at the supermarket. And I forgot to buy sugar. Guys, you see this stuff for buying little by little, it takes a lot of your money. I'm supposed to go to do shopping, like the whole month shopping during the weekend, the one that will last us for a whole month. Anyway guys, let me put some in the fridge, what is supposed to be in the fridge, and then I start making dinner. See you later guys. If I won't vlog, I will vlog for you tomorrow how it will be, but let's see guys.
Subscribe.